Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. In this video, we are going to discuss how can you add scroll to top feature in your Kadence theme. Now let me start sharing the screen and show you what exactly this feature does, where it appears and how can you add it. So here we are on a test website, and what you will see here is as I will start to scroll down, a button will appear on the right hand side of the screen, and when I will click that button, it will bring me to the top of the page. Okay, so let me show you. So you can see as I'm scrolling down, this button appears right here, and when I will click it, it will bring me to the top. Now this is the scroll to top button or the feature that we are going to activate in this tutorial. Now keep in mind this feature is available in the free Kadence theme, and in case you want to use the Kadence theme, then link is in the description box below. You can simply install this theme and you will get access to this feature. Okay, now let's dive into how you can activate this. Now to activate the scroll to top feature in the Kadence theme, what you will have to do is you will have to go to appearance, which is right here, and then click customize. Now I'm going to open customize in the new window, and you can see it opens the customization menu for the Kadence theme. Okay, now in the next step, you need to find this general option. You will have to find this general option, click this general option, and you will find the scroll to top option. Right, this is the scroll to top feature that we will be activating. In the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this feature right here, and you will see enable scroll to top feature. Okay, in the next step, click this toggle to activate this feature. Right, so this just enabling this will give you access to all of these settings. This shows that the feature has been enabled. In the next step, what you are going to do is you are going to click this publish button, and that's it. You have successfully activated the or added the scroll to top button on your website. Now how we can see that? We are just going to scroll down, and you can see this button appear right here. Okay, I'll click this button and it will bring me to the top. So you can see this button appears in the preview as well. Right, so this is how you basically activate the scroll to top feature in the Kadence theme. Now in the upcoming tutorials, I will cover all of these settings, right, one after the other. But just to show you what exactly the setting does is, so you can see right here, this is the scroll up icon. So using this, you can basically change the icon of the scroll to top button. So let me just go down a little. You can see this is the icon that we are using right now, which is this one. So when I'm going to click this, it will change the icon instantly. You can see the icon has been changed, but for right now what we are going to do is we are going to just keep this icon for right now and click publish. Now remember, don't forget to hit this publish button, and else you will lose the changes that you have made. Okay, the next one is the icon size. Using this, you can change the icon size. Similarly, align right or left. For right now we have selected right, it is on the right side of the screen. Now you can align it to the left as well. It is up to you. Now the next one is the side offset, how much you want to move it away from the side or move it towards the side. This is the feature that does it for you, and you can select the devices from here as well. Next one is the bottom offset, so you can set how much up from the bottom you want this button to appear. The next one is the visibility on the devices that you want to show this feature, on the devices that you don't want to show this feature. So if all of these are selected, then this feature is active on all of the devices. You will see this button in all of the devices. In case for example, let me just deselect this, and you will see the scroll to top button disappears because it is not active on, it is not visible on the desktop device. So these are all of the settings, just a brief walkthrough. Now in case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Okay, now I hope you will be able to activate it using this tutorial. Now in case you want to try Kadence theme, then link to it is in the description box below. Now I hope you have found this video helpful and are able to easily add the scroll to top feature in the Kadence theme. Now if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Now in case you have any queries related to this, then feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also the links to our socials along with the links to Kadence theme are in the description box below. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.